Hi everyone, welcome back to the one more session. Right, with respect to our YouTube channel, I'm just posting the concepts of Python programming. Okay, all the basic things, team. So my target is even the school going students and the students, those who are pursuing college. Okay, they need to understand these concepts because after completing final year, and I don't want you people to switch like looking for different opportunities and analyzing at that moment that you don't have enough skills to go to a some programming job. Okay, because I have seen many people have just once completed on the college days and all, they don't mind what they are reading, what they are going through, nothing. Okay, so whatever you are studying in your college days, that is kind of that will help you with respect to maths, all the basics, everything. But the skills is what being expected in the IT domain, right? So I just want, or my purpose is to upgrade the skills. Okay, because this is the current one. I'm just what I'm teaching you is a current thing which is expected in the interviews, everything. Okay, so yesterday, like I posted a video with respect to introduction of Python. Okay, it's all a theoretical thing. So I just want to cut the theoretical part in my session. So I'm just going to walk you through the coding now. Okay, so 10 different topics we have. So I'll start with variables and arithmetic operations, right? So we'll go one by one. So I'm going to upload short videos only. Short videos means it's not that at a time posting everything. Okay, let's read one by one and try to understand the concepts. If you're not getting it, just go through one or two times, then it will be easily understandable, friends. Okay, right. So let's start. So today we are going to talk about variables and arithmetic operators. I know that we all are aware of this arithmetic operations. Some addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, right? These are the arithmetic operations. Here comes something called variables. So whoever starting with Python programming, the first part or the first word they want to know this is, team, I'm just teaching you what is necessary to get a job. Okay, it's not that speaking all the blah blah blah, all the theory things that is of no use at all. Okay, I just want to tell you what is required, what is asked in the interview, what you should know, that's it. So coming to variables, so I'll tell you some book explanation. Okay, later I'll tell you my explanation. So variables are named placeholders, or they call it as a containers, right? Used to store data in the computer program. They allow us to assign values to specific names, making it easier to reference and manipulate the data throughout the program. Right? This is the book definition or Google definition, whatever it may be. But my definition is simple, team. So we have a container. Okay, I'm just storing some value in it. So the container which is holding my value, that is variable. Okay, so in Python, okay, let's talk. In Python, variables are created and assigned values using the assignment operator, that is equal to. Using this assignment operator, variable are created and assigned values. Okay, so the name of the variable is on the left side of the operator, and the value of the value of the assigned is on the right side. Okay, simple. X is equal to 5. Okay, so the name of the variable is on the left side of the operator, and the value assigned is on the right side of the operator. Simple. Okay? It just helps in storing the value, that we call it as variable. Whatever, anything you can give. My name I can give is equal to 9. Okay, any names you can give. like message. But the variable should not start with a number. Okay. I can use this underscore in declaring my variable name. Okay, any name you can give. Dog, tiger, cat, any name you can give, but it should not start with a number. Okay. Data underscore 1. Underscore only, underscore is a special character, you can use it. Writing. So this we call it as a variable. So simple variable is nothing but a container which is used to store the value. Okay. So let me clear this out. Let's keep that in mind. The example I'll write here. I'll take this. Okay. Message is my variable. So what is the message? I'm storing the message hello world in my variable called message. Okay. Anything. Learn Python. Message is equal to learn Python. It should be mentioned in quotes team. Whatever the things you are assigning, it should be in either in single quotes, double quotes, or triple quotes, or double triple quotes. Okay, you can mention in either of these things. Okay, inside this, you can mention hello world. Okay, so this we call it as a variables. Okay, and variables can also hold different types of data. What are those? Such as numbers, strings, Boolean. We will talk about what are these things. Okay, less, etc. Okay, we'll see an example for that. Okay, I'll show you the examples. So what I'll do is I'll open up the code part and we will run through that and we will see it. Okay, enough of theory. So see here, friends. I've just taken few examples to show you guys. Okay, so just see. Nothing will come without practice. Okay, it's all simple line of codes. You can simply run it. Just type it, run it and see. Okay, so I told you message is equal to hello world. So here message is my variable, right? And something with whatever words, right? I'm just placing inside that quotations, that double quotes we have, right? We call those as strings. Okay, so first I'll just explain it, then we will run it and see. Running the code just takes few times, but understanding the concept will take some time. Okay, simple. First code. Okay, which all the coders who wanted to learn coding will write this hello world. Okay, so I'm just saving this hello world in my variable called message. Okay, here this is integer value. Okay, age is the variable. So I'm storing the variable, the value 25 in the variable age. Okay, so age is my container here. That age container, I'm just putting the value as 25. Same here, the name container I have, that is the variable. I'm just placing my string value. So anything which is mentioned inside the quotation, we call it as string value. So LEs. Then see here, only this underscore is the only special character that will be used while declaring a variable. See, make use of these words, variables. Declaring a variable means this Boolean value, right? See, this is the operator equal to the left side, whatever you are writing here, this we call it as a variable. The right side is the value. So I'm storing my Boolean value true in which container? Is underscore student. Anything you can do, friends. See, it's not that we have to do this here. Simple. Data is equal to some codes you can write. Python is fun. Okay, something like this. So this is how you will be declaring your variables. So this is very, very important. A basic thing which you have to know. Okay, fine. And here comes another example. Okay, so let this be here. Here comes another example, that is, here I'm going to show you variables in Python can also be reassigned to new values during the execution of the program. That is, here I'm just mentioning the variable name x, yeah, and declaring the value variable and assigning it with value 5. So if I print x, the output will be 5, correct? And again, once it is done, if I'm replacing the same, I'm using the same variable name, correct? That is x is equal to 10. Then I'm printing x. Okay. So I'll get the output as 10. See here. Here, 5. See the output here? It is 5. And now I'm giving my x is equal to 10. And see my print x is 10. So again, they have given this. Same, it is going to, this is wrong. Okay. So no need to confuse with respect to this. Just ignore it. Fine. So in this case, the variable x is first assigned the value 5 and then reassigned the value 10. Okay. So I hope this is clear how we are assigning the variables and how you can declare the same variable with the different values, everything. Okay, some basic thing. So using variables, right? The variables helps in making the code more readable, reusable, and flexible. What are these three things? Since we are declaring the variables, it makes our code more readable, right? Reusable and flexible. Okay, I can just give 5, 3, right? So sum is equal to 5 plus 3. But what if, see, every time then you have to go ahead and look for this value and come to the end and do the summations. Okay, so if you are writing a very big code, at that time it will be very complicated. Okay, so that is what we have something called variables. So we have to make use of it. Okay, that is very, very important. Next, see a simple line of code scheme. Okay, we'll see with respect to arithmetic operations. Right? If you see here, the x is equal to 5, y is equal to x. Variable have a value called 5, y variable has a value 3. So I'm just storing my output in a variable called sum. See, simply also I can write x plus y. So if I'm running this x is equal to 5, y is equal to 3, and x plus y, it will give my 8. But in order to make my code more perfect or something readable, I told you, right? So you should follow some very good steps. So I've stored it. Okay, so sum is equal to x plus y. So two variables, that is x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 3, right, are assigned their respective values. So the sum between x and y is calculated and stored in the variable sum. Simple. Okay. So if I want to print it, see, simply if I run sum, yeah, it is going to give me the value. But see, what if I print this? Print is nothing but a statement. Okay, it will give you a statement. So the stored value, it has been written here as sum. This, whatever in this quotes I'm giving is with respect to my own decision. Okay, so if I give something like this, the sum of 5 and 3 is 8. It will give me like this. So simply, if I give print right? The sum of, that's it, comma, sum. Okay. The sum of 8. This, oh, sorry, sum is. Okay. The sum is 8. Fine. So whatever you're giving in this course inside the print statement, it will simply print it here just for printing purpose. Whatever statement you want, you can give it. But give comma and declare your sum variable so that it will show you in a very neat format. Okay. Now coming to modulus. Same for the C team. Just put subtraction. That's it. It will show you the values too. Okay. Similarly, we'll talk about remainder, modulus, remainder of two numbers. Okay. So here, two variables, num1 and num2 are assigned values of 13 and 5. Okay. So the modulus, see, we all know this is the modulus symbol. If you forget it, please keep this in mind. Okay, because this is widely used in our programs. So the modulus between num1 and num2 is calculated, right? It is calculated, and where I want to store it in the remainder. Okay. So then if I want to see what is my values, either just see, I'll just show you. Run the variables which has been declared, num1, num2. See in Spider, if you see here, I'm just doing the everything in Spider because we can see the output here and we can see whatever values in. Okay, fine. So remainder. What is a remainder? We don't know. Just simply select that remainder word alone and run it. You'll get the remainder. Right? Fine. So if you are worried what is remainder is, I can just show you 5, 13. 5 2s are 10. Remainder is 3. So this is the remainder. Just a quick recap. Okay, because many school students also will be seeing this. You guys might be forgotten it. No problem. You can just recollect it now. Not an issue. Right? So again, the print statement. The remainder of comma num1 divided by num2 is 3. Okay. If you don't want to give this, since it is a basic session, I'm just showing you these things. If you guys don't want to add it, just the reminder is, you can simply put the reminder is, and you will get the output. Okay, using the print statement. Now, let's talk about exponentiation. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, everybody can do. Okay, these things also is there. I just want to showcase those things. Same. Okay. Here I have two variables. Base, exponent. Okay. So those are assigned values 2 and 3. So the exponentiation is nothing but e power. We all know that, right? See, we use this 2-star team when we declaring something with respect to exponentiation in Python. So calculate the exponential value and store it in result. Then print me that. Okay. So print me the result is 8. See, 2, 3. Base exponential of 3. 2 raised to power 3 is 8. We will write it as 2 power 3, right? If you guys forgot it. See, base, that is, first is 2, exponent 3. That is 2 power 3. It is 8. 2 into 2 into 2. Fine, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Okay, that is exponential function. Okay, similarly, one more concept I'll tell you. Floating point division. Okay, it's division, simple division. Same, declaring the variable num1, num2 with the value 7 and 2, right? And I'm just doing division and storing my divided value in the name of division, the variable name division. So same, run it. Right? And 7 by 2 is 3.5. This is your float point division. Okay, so these programs demonstrate various arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, exponential, and this floating point division, right? Using variables in Python. It's very easy, team. Just run it. Just type it and run it and see. Okay. So I'm just going to follow a step-by-step procedure, not to dump everything in one video, as I told you, right? So I'll give you like as much as content. So if you know this concept, you can able to like at least try out with any interviews, because variable declarations and these basic questions they are asking. But still, we have a lot more to study. As I told you, I'm just teaching with respect for the students as well. The school going students also want to learn. I'm just going with a few basic things. Okay, as days goes on, we will complete the Python with more complicated things as well. Okay, but my target is people with less technical, non-technical. Those who are non-technical also want to grow. Okay, because coding is mandatory nowadays, team. Whatever domain you go with, coding is very, very important. So please start from today. Fine. So this is with respect to variables and arithmetic operations. And this is the code. Okay. So please subscribe my channel so that daily I will be posting the videos. So we can just go through it and come up with, put it in comments, whatever queries you have or whatever topics you want to do a recap, everything. I'll just post it. So thank you so much.